Today's Tips du Jour mailbag question comes to us from Ohio. Robert, I dropped my guitar and cracked the end block inside the guitar. Can this be fixed, or is my guitar an expensive piece of firewood? Jim in Ohio. Well, Jim, that sounds like that was a very exciting day. I hope at least you were on stage, jumping off amplifiers, playing behind your back, crowds going nuts. But it can be fixed. I like to tell people that in Luthier, we can fix just about anything but a broken heart. And some people even try and put that to the test. I have one on the bench that has the same problem. Let me show you how I would fix it. So here's the guitar in question. This is a 1930-something model. It's a 00 Martin, and it had some very exciting times back here. It was dropped while it was under string tension. There was movement. If you push this side or push this side, there was movement in the block, which means that it had broken, and the cracks traveled on out the side. And I've repaired all of that. I've wicked glue inside there. Everything is structurally sound at this point. However, I just sleep a little bit better at night if I can put a couple of cleats along that heel block in the inside there, the end block inside there as well. Now, on the block is about this wide. There's already a thin strip of something down the middle of it, and I think that was probably just to make it thicker for our strap button here. However, on either side of it, there's a little place to put a little cleat. And that's what I'm going to do, just so I can sleep a little bit better at night. So a lot of times with these old repairs, you just have to get creative. You have to take it on a case-by-case basis. For this guitar, what I'm going to do is I've created a little mahogany patch there, and I've put a small block there to separate two magnets. And you'll see me use a lot of magnets in my repair work. It works great for getting inside guitars and clamping things together. And I've put that little spacer block in there so the magnets don't jump together and get on top of each other. I've also created a piece of plexiglass for the outside. Same thing. Small block of wood, two magnets taped to the piece of plexiglass. And I'm just going to set that right there and then come on the inside of the cookie jar and glue this little strip on. My glue of choice for this repair is fish glue. Gives me a very long open time. It's also animal-based glue, which is period for this instrument. So now, if I can just get it inside there without dropping it. And I've got to go all the way back here to the back end. So this is going to be a long reach. Here we go. So once I get that patch about where I want it, and I come in and just let the magnets do their job. There we go. After a few hours of cure time, we can take that off and do the other side as well. Then we'll be good to go. So there you go, Jim in Ohio. Thank you very much for your question. Hope you found this useful. Don't get rid of the guitar. Fix it. Take it back up on stage. Happy building.